Fucoidan is a valuable substance that is mainly obtained from the sliminess of the brown seaweeds. It is also a type of soluble fiber and a polysaccharide. It was discovered around 100 years ago by Professor Johan Killing in Sweden, but it was not until 1996 that the apoptosis effect of fucoidan was revealed at the Japanese Cancer Association. And since then, fucoidan has been part of great medicine and nutritional supplements. The introduction of fucoidan supplements began around 10 years ago, but the question is, why were the majority of cancer patients relying on fucoidan rather than other supplements in the market? And the answer is because fucoidan offers 3 essential anti-cancer effects. Apoptosis is a programmed cell death. By nature, every cell in our body will die and renew at a certain time. For example, when a baby is developing, especially the hands and the feet look like puddles, but as they continue to develop, the fingers and the toes start to become more visible as the extra cells are being removed through the process of apoptosis. But in the case of cancer cells, they cannot undergo apoptosis because they are abnormal. But many studies have shown that fucoidan can reactivate the mechanism of apoptosis, especially on cancer cells. The second anti-cancer effect of fucoidan is suppressing cancer cell angiogenesis. When a cancer cell starts to grow to a certain size, they start stealing the oxygen and nutrients from other nearby organs so that they can spread and metastasize. This is what we call cancer cell angiogenesis. But fucoidan has proven in many studies that it can have the ability to inhibit or suppress the angiogenesis on cancer cells. Once fucoidan is absorbed in the intestine, it activates a series of immune responses. It is this activation in the immune system, the one that starts the fight against cancer. Currently, there are 2 types of brown seaweeds mainly used to extract good quality fucoidan. These are mosuku and the root part of the wakame, which is known as mekabu. Mosuku has shown to have the highest apoptosis effect on cancer cells compared to any other seaweed, and the cleanest seaweeds come from the area of Okinawa in Japan. When it comes to mekabu has the highest angiogenesis inhibition effect on cancer cells compared to other seaweeds, and the cleanest seaweeds come from Tasmania and Australia. Also, this area is free of contaminants and free of heavy metals. So far, I've been talking about the 3 anti-cancer effects of fucoidan, but it's also important to mention about the ability of fucoidan to alleviate the side effects of the chemotherapy and radiation therapy. So some of these side effects are vomiting, fatigue, and loss of appetite. By improving the immune system when taking fucoidan, the cancer patient can start to feel better and alleviate these side effects.